In the previous video we have seen how we can read an audio and video stream of an MP4 file. In this video we will see how we can basically play the audio and video stream of an MP4 file. So before we jump into the code, let us first see our demo. Here is our demo. We just choose a file, and this is our file. We have selected a file, an MP4 file, and let me play this. As you can see, the file is playing. It will automatically stop at 22. So file is now stopped at 22. Okay, so this is basically our small demo. Now let us jump into the code. So first let us see a global variable called source. Okay, so now as we know, there are two types of streams in a video file, an audio stream and a video stream. Okay, let us consider each stream one by one, how to play each stream one by one. Let us first consider the audio stream. So we have this source variable. This variable belongs to the audio data. Okay, so let us understand the concept first. Just go into the vplay.js and understand here. These are some basic checks. We are applying some checks on the values, these values. We are applying some checks on these values. Once you will see this code, you will easily understand why I am applying these checks. Okay, so here is the main important code. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am actually creating a buffer source. Understand the concept. There is a source and a destination. What is the source? Basically, source is our MP4 file. Okay, which contain audio or video stream. We are typically talking about audio streams here, and source is the MP4 file which contains audio stream. Okay, and what is the destination? Destination is basically the mechanism at which the audio will play. Okay, the destination is the mechanism, and what we actually do, we actually connect source with the destination using audio context. Okay, so I told you before, what is audio context? Audio context is the basically JavaScript built-in object of web audio API. Okay, so we connect source with the destination. So here we are creating a buffer source and creating a audio buffer. Okay, and assigning array to the get channel data. Okay, assigning array to the get channel data, and here I am creating a source buffer and assigning it the audio buffer, and I am connecting the source with the audio context destination, and I am starting the source, and source will play from start to final. When I start the source, the audio will automatically start playing, and it will play from start to final. And what is basically final? Final is the value between end and start. Okay, so let us see if we want to play from 12 second to 22 second. So in the start there is 12, and in the end there is 10, because 22 minus 12 is equal to 10. Okay, hope this is understand. Hope you can understand this now. Okay, so this is basically how we can play audio file. Okay, audio stream. Now let us consider how we can play a video file, video stream. So before we understand the depth of this video stream code, let us first see a global variable, video decoder. Okay, this is basically our global variable, video decoder. Okay, now what is this video decoder? Video decoder is a built-in JavaScript object of web codec API. Okay, web codec API. Video decoder is the built-in JavaScript object of web decoder API. So we are basically Okay, this web decoder takes two parameters, two callbacks. One is output and one is error. And what is this process video is doing? Process video is basically the output. Whenever the video decoder will decode the frame, this callback will automatically run, and you can see here frame. This callback will pass the frame, okay, frame data, decoded frame data. Okay, this will be the decoded frame data. And what this function will do, this function will render the decoded frame data to the canvas, okay, as an image. This will render the image on a canvas only. This process video is actually rendering the images on canvas. And how I am decoding this, let us come into the vplay.js. Okay, I am decoding this. Here I am decoding. I am setting an interval and using video data to decode. Okay, I am incrementing the video data index one by one and setting an interval, and at every interval, whenever the set interval is called, there is an incremented video frame will be decoded. Okay, incremented video frame will be decoded. And here I am passing the value, the interval value, the interval time. Okay, so the concept is pretty simple. How we can play the video file. Actually, I am decoding the video. Okay, and whenever the video frame is decoded, the process video will run and the frame is rendered on the canvas. This is basically pretty simple. So guys, here you can see the basic concept is still the same. We are actually using main data, main video data and main audio data to play the file. Okay, so this is the basic concept which I am trying to tell you, that main data, on main data we implement every functionality using main data. Most of the functionality is using main data. So hope you guys like this video. I will paste the link of the full code in the description and also the link of the demo in the description. Take care.